have been lured by the sound of big block Chevys, and it looks like a lot of those cars that we mentioned earlier are actually lining up, ready to go. So you might be able to see some of these cars move a little bit if we're patient.
Yeah, got a couple shadows lining up here.
It's got to be quite distracting driving with that much induction noise.
I think it's just distracting with that much power, is it not?
Yeah, I don't think anything about it is focusing in any way. What's the ratings on the Shadow, Jack?
Oh, 10. 10 again, yeah. Well,
I feel like we might
yeah.
have to be inventing some more numbers above 10 after this. I love it, it's black as well, it looks so mean.
Sounds like they're all about to start up, so
yeah, let's hear some.
This is mental.
This one's louder.
That's incredible. I love it, it's so cool. I'll gladly sacrifice my ears for that experience.
Every day of the week.
Chaos, absolute chaos. This is cool. Corvette.
Brilliant. Oh, I don't know if you give these a rating. They're just
100.
awesome cars, aren't they?
Oh, he stalled it. That's embarrassing.
That was only a 10. That was quite chaotic and quite exciting.
I think that was one of the best experiences of my life.
Holy hell, that was very exciting. Thanks for watching this video. We really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, click here. If you'd like to watch some more videos in this playlist, click here. And if you really enjoyed it, then you should subscribe here.